takes, how do I say it, a heavy load that we're carrying as we speak while we're here.
Multiple First Nations in northern Manitoba have evacuated due to the expanding wildfire crisis in the province, leaving almost 2,000 residents displaced, a number expected to keep growing. Right now, Marcel Colombe is under a full evacuation order due to how close the wildfire is in the area, causing hundreds to be displaced. A provincial wildfire spokesperson says it's still unsafe to return, but are taking measures to protect the area.
Put up sprinkler kits on over 30 structures on the Marcel Colombe First Nation.
Heavy smoke has blanketed 4 First Nation communities, including Wasagamacq First Nation, Mantosippi Cree Nation, God's Lake First Nation, and Red Sucker Lake due to an over 24,000 hectare fire, and it's led to the voluntary evacuation of over 700 of their most vulnerable residents.
Those communities, as well as God's Lake, are all people with the highest health priorities, and it's due to the smoke.
Red Sucker Lake Chief Samuel Knott says the smoke is especially problematic for their members, stating respiratory issues are common in the community due to the pandemic and issues with mold. But Knott says even though most of the affected members have made it to Winnipeg, their safety is still a concern.
Our members that are going to a bigger town where there's easy access to substance, to us is still concerning.
While the blaze currently isn't threatening the community of Red Sucker Lake, Knott says at the moment it's the proximity of the fire to their hydro transmission line that is most worrisome.
If the fire would burn the poles, it'll be a fair amount of time to get restoration.
It is about 2 to 3 kilometers away from that power line, and that's the focus of our efforts between bucketing, water bombing, and crews to protect that infrastructure there.
Currently, there are 58 active fires in the province, 16 deemed out of control. Simmons says other provinces have been helping out with crews from Ontario, 2 water bombers from Quebec, and an observation plane from New Brunswick. In Winnipeg, Mitchell Ringos, City News.